Hi, I'm Kamini Patel. Welcome to Britannia Dessert Carnival. Today's recipe is going to be Mithai Baked Pears. So first I'm going to start by preparing my filling of the pear. That starts with badam, and then my pista, a few spoons of sugar, cinnamon, some cardamom powder, some vanilla extract, a few strands of saffron, a little bit of rose syrup, and a spoon or so of butter. I'm going to give it a few pulses in the mixture to create my filling. So my mixture is nice and coarse. Just remove it. Put this aside. And I'm going to create a syrup on which my pears are going to bake. So first I'm going to use some pomegranate juice. To that I'm going to add a little bit of red wine vinegar and a little bit of water, some sugar. I'm going to add a tablespoon or so of butter, a pinch of nutmeg, half a cinnamon stick, a star anise, a vanilla bean, put it in, just give it a stir, let the butter immerse into the syrup. And now I'm going to get my pears, which I've already cored in the center. So I'm going to stuff the pears with the earlier mixture. So now I'm going to put the pears, and what I'm going to do is ensure that there's a nice coating on top. So now I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven of 200 degrees for about 40 minutes. So the pears have cooked through beautifully and the syrup has reduced nicely as well. So there you have it, the Mithai Baked Pears. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel for more Britannia Dessert Carnival recipes.